Hey everybody, welcome to the workshop. On today's episode, I'm going to be making an EDC pen and pencil matching set from Penn State Industries. And today's wood choice is going to be Bocot. Now, when I first got a hold of these blanks, I was looking at them and thought, yeah, they look kind of rough. I can see some figuring in here, and personally I like figuring over straight grain. But these blanks are pretty rough and I don't know how these things are going to look. So stick around, we're going to make these and we'll see how they turn out. Today on Adam's Workshop. right, everybody, the project is now complete. We've got the set all done. And I have to say, this Bocot turned out a lot better than I was expecting it to. As you can see, there is a lot of figuring on there, which I happen to really like. And I think it just looks absolutely beautiful in my opinion. I really like the set. I think the color of the wood goes well with the brass, but that's just a personal opinion. Let me know down in the comments section, what do you think? Do you like the Bocot with the brass, or do you think they would be better with some other type of wood? I enjoyed this. This was a lot of fun, and I look forward to building even more in the future. If this is something that you like, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see more, then click on this video over here. And if you're looking to see more about Jesus, click on this video over here. And I'll see y'all again next time in the workshop.